Hey, good morning everyone. Hope you're doing well. You're looking snazzy. You must be feeling good because you're looking good. We have an exciting day today. Well, I don't know how exciting it is. We have a modification going on the Shelby. It's an important one because when there is snow, it's important to have the right tires. And bald tires are not the right tires. As you guys know, it took 10 minutes to get around that track the other week, and I had several people push me to even accomplish the task. So we're gonna get snow tires, and I'm gonna be up front. This is gonna be a multi-day video because we're gonna get snow tires and then we're gonna wait for it to snow. And we're gonna see the difference, how much better the Shelby handles in the snow. And I predict that she will be the best snow vehicle in the garage, better than the Jeep even. I want to thank everybody. Oscar and I both want to thank everyone for supporting James's little channel. We know he needs it, right? I have one goal this video, that at no point whatsoever do I call this guy and have to get towed by this thing. Snow tires, they're in.
They're in? Oh, wait,
they're in.
Oh gosh.
And we're gonna test it.
This is not good.
We're gonna test it to the max, bro.
It was kind of good that you didn't have good tires because now you have good tires, you're obviously overconfident, you're gonna put into a wall.
Do you know what the forecast is for this week? Snow, 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 baby. Cold startup, you're welcome. Someone's got to really clean up all the coolant leak on the floor. I'll do it. All right, here we go. New tire shop, discount tire. They said the tires are in. Let's get them on the car, baby. All right, we are rolling now. Literally, we got some nice new treads, some nice winter tires on the ride. Now we had the P Soto 02s on the front and the 3s on the back because that's all we had. So they are a little mismatched on the tread, but same brand, and I'm told that we should be good regardless. So for those of you that don't know, the winter tires are designed obviously with different treads and so forth to grip in the snow better, but also the temperature that they perform in is totally different. They're designed for 40 degrees and below, down to even 0 degrees. So the performance and the traction is not just the grip, it's temperature and the compound and the oil base used in the tires. And I'm gonna be really curious on the performance because if these tires handle well enough in the snow, can I drive this car to work even on a heavy snow day or even a light snow day, even on any snow? Because right now, I couldn't. I forgot to mention real quick, the tire guy said the rear tires were properly shredded. They were basically down to the cords. We did good work on our donuts. Okay, so now, snow. All right, guys, we are back. It is a couple days later, and we found some snow. It's weird. It's like January, middle of the winter, and it rained all week, and it was warm. So we had to come back out to Blinker Fluids special track with the snow, with the Shelby. And as you guys know, 9 minutes, 55 seconds was my old record on this track in the terrible tires. So we're gonna see if my $1,800 winter tires can do the trick. Oh, and we also brought Will out here in his Roush RS. He's testing it out as well. It looks like he's gonna beat 10 minutes. All right, guys, you all know Blinker Fluid. My first question to you guys is, why did you invite me back? Because last time I was here, all you did for 3 hours was push me around the track. My goal today is nobody pushes me. All right. And I set a lap record for my Shelby under 10 minutes. And I think the Camaro, your Camaro did what?
It was like, what was it, 239?
239? Okay, so 239. This is a different snow. If you don't live in snow, you won't understand this, but if you live in snow, you know there's different types of snow, slush and so forth. And we're gonna see if these 1,800 bucks, $1,800 tires is worth it. All right, enough stalling, moment of truth. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna see what the lap time is. I am nervous, let's be honest. There's a lot of like stuff on the track. We got a Roush over there, Focus over there, truck here, people here, this guy. And actually, hey, if you ride with me and get co-pilot footage, I will shout out your channel. Unless you don't.
Yeah. What are these? Oh, there's two. We're good.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Remember that vanilla Coke I also got?
Yes, yes. If you haven't seen the vanilla Coke, go check out my video. Link below. Oh. My video is garbage though, so probably won't watch it.
One and done. Oh man, that's so good. I'm ready.
He's not ready. That's a lie. That's not gonna help.
It helps.
A backwards cap is not gonna help.
Wait.
On your mark, get set, go.
This seems like a bad idea. Oh my gosh.
It's just so inconsistent with the slush.
Easy, easy there, big fella. What do you always say?
Trust the wind.
Fast is slow and slow is fast.
Oh boy. Got a little, okay. A little loose.
That's 50. That's 60. Oh my gosh.
Woo.
Chill.
Easy. Oh.
What was that?
Okay. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We're sliding.
We got no brakes.
We lost it. Oh, jeez. That was well done, actually.
That was not well done. How in the world do you consider that well done?
Yes. 2 turns, baby. 2 turns.
Easy. Fast is slow, slow is fast.
All right, one more.
Jose, come on! Put to the floor, go! Okay, that vanilla Coke is not sitting well. The vanilla Coke is not sitting well. You stop right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm good. I'm actually totally fine. Okay, I'm a little bit dizzy, but I'm okay. How you doing, big fella?
I just spent $1,800 on those tires, and I think I lessened the life a little bit. That hurts. Oh man, I'm supposed to get 3 winners out of these. I think I'm down to 2. Enough of that. I'm over my financial loss. Time. Where's the timer? Wait.
You got the time.
I forgot.
Nobody got a time. No.
We got a time.
So your time was 1 minute and 49 seconds, .84.
Already better, man. Good job.
He hits hard.
What was it again? I just heard 1 minute. I got it.
1 minute, 49 seconds.
Dude, wasn't that like way faster than everybody else?
Completely.
Winter tires. Okay, I'm just gonna make my point now and we're gonna move on. If you drive in the winter and you have bald tires, go get winter tires. PSA, public service announcement.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah.
Man,
Welcome.
sometimes you get on this
I'm
pedestal.
saving-
It's a 149. It's
I'm-
not like you broke the track
I'm
record, bro.
saving lives.
149
I'm
is not a
saving
big
lives.
deal. I
I'm
can hop in
saving
my
lives.
Focus right now and probably do a 135.
Think about how many people I'm not gonna hit now because
That's
just
true.
saying.
No, that's true. Actually,
You're
I didn't think about it.
All right, so James just ran a lap in his Focus RS and he beat 149. He got like 131. If you want to see it, go to his channel. I think it's gonna make it up on his video. You shouldn't be that interested. Should I be embarrassed? We're gonna work on it. We're gonna get better. And maybe one day I'll beat somebody on this track. But Will now is gonna do some donuts with smoke bombs taped to his bumper. And if you want to see the donuts with the smoke bombs, go ahead and check out his video. I'll let him hold on to that exclusivity. Real quick, so I got demolished by James, obviously, in his Focus RS. We know about that. Will just took his lap. He beat me by a second and a half. It was very hard for me to stomach, so I'm just gonna go again, see what happens.
Wait, Will did a 14844 and you did a 14975. He got you by a second.
Yeah. We were in weather mode.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not going to weather mode, baby.
I need you to be tenacious. I need you to be relentless. I need there to be fear in your heart and your soul as you're going down the home stretch. Okay, bro?
Okay, we're ready. I'm ready.
Let's
I'm
roll.
ready.
Let's
wait,
roll.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm ready.
Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Oh, jeez. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. It's only a second and a half.
It matters to me.
It does not matter. I have a dog. Jeez.
Sorry, can't talk right now. Smashing records.
I mean, when he says that, I did a 131. It's really not. Yeah, it's out of the question.
Okay, I'm just trying to be V6 Mustang. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, that is 80 miles an hour. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez.
Pick the slippery spot.
No! That was terrible.
That was a bad spot
Oh
on
my
the track.
gosh. This right here. This is where boys turn into men. That was a dumb ride. Cut that out.
Hit your focus.
Yo. Okay. Now we can chill now. Jeez. I have never seen a man drive with that kind of fury. Oh my goodness.
It hurt. It hurt. I like Will, but it hurt.
Sorry, Will. I mean, that was impressive. That was insane.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said about me. What do we got? What do we got?
How do we break the news? Okay, well, how do we say this?
I had to beat him. I had to beat
We
it.
wanted to be super suspenseful, though.
I know I beat it.
So James, what did you get again?
131.
Okay, well, you weren't even close to that. You were actually 127.
That was unexpected.
I go home. Let's go eat.
Yeah.
Let's go eat. Let's go eat.
That was a fast lap.
We're done.